In this video, we're going to talk about specific cells. Remember, a cell is the intersection of a column and a row, and so always start with a letter and end with a number. My current active cell is cell A1. Data entry in Microsoft Excel is quite straightforward. Excel interprets each cell entry as one of the following: a value, which could be a date or time, text, a formula, and remember, formulas always start with an equal sign, or a Boolean value, which is true or false. There's many ways to edit text in Microsoft Excel, and we're going to go through those three options now. The first one is you can press the F2 key at the top of your keyboard. And what that does is it automatically places you in edit mode at the end of your active cell. You can see kind of the cursor right there. I'm going to hit the escape button. The next way is to double click on the active cell. So I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to click in between the word Julie's and region. And you see wherever I put my mouse within that cell is where the cursor now goes. And the third and final way to edit text in Microsoft Excel is to come up here to the formula bar and you can type whatever you'd like right there. We're going to now format and merge and center Julie's region across all of these columns. As you can see, our information starts in cell A1 and goes all the way over to P1. We're going to take our mouse and we're going to select A1 all the way over to P1, and we're going to click the Merge and Center button. By doing that, it merged all of those cells together and centered right in between the range of cells that you asked for. Now note that your current cell is still A1. When you merge and center a cell or a group of cells, it always takes the leftmost cell address as its new address. We were in A1 and we stayed in A1. Now what we'd like to do is to edit the information there in that one cell, in cell A1. I'm going to take my mouse, I'm going to place it at the end and double click in my cell at the end of region. Well, I'm going to do a keystroke combination of Alt and the Enter key, which forces a blank line within a cell. As you notice, I'm still in cell A1, and I'm going to just type a little bit more detail here that this is the Southwest region, and hit Enter to accept that information. When we click back to cell A1, we can see that it's Julie's region in the Southwest region. However, here in our spreadsheet, we don't see the second line. What we need to do is make our column width a little bit wider. There's a couple ways of doing that. I'm going to show you both ways. First, you can take the column heading of row 1 and click on it, right click, and choose row height. This will allow you to adjust the row height and see the current row height is 12.5. We're going to say 20 and hit Enter. And as you can see, that's not quite enough. Another way to adjust the row height is to come over here once again between the row headings and place your mouse between row 1 and 2, hold down the left mouse button, and continue to drag until you get the width that you would like.